Welcome to Windsor Court in New Orleans. This is room 1017. It is a king suite. When you enter, there's a lovely table to your right, and then a wet bar with a coffee maker, Lavazza coffee maker with decaf and regular coffee, bottles of water, and then the bellman offered to fill our ice bucket for us when he brought our suitcase up. We were very impressed when we checked in. The bellman sang by the door, asked our last name, and then brought us over and introduced us to the front desk by name. So as you come in, on the left is a door, and it is a quick access to the bathroom. So you have two doors for the bathroom, which is handy. It's a nice big sink. There is a makeup remover here and a black face cloth. And then some nice amenities with lotion, shower cap, a loofah, soap. And here's the brand that they offer. The shower is a bathtub, actually, so you could have a bath if you wanted to. So you'll need to step over into the tub, and you can see that there's shampoo and conditioner and lotion in here. It's a nice roomy bathtub shower. And then from the bathroom, there is a sitting area where you can apply your makeup. It's my fanny pack there. But you could apply your makeup. There's a separate sink. And then there's the closet. The bellman offered to hang up our coats for us, get our luggage set up. You can see here there's some delinting items, shoe cloths, some very nice thick robes, and a safe and very comfortable thick slippers. And then a second luggage rack, which is nice. Oh, so there's two thermostats. There's one by the door and one here by the bedroom. Walking into the bedroom, you have a TV here, as well as a TV in the other room. Over here you have the remote control and an alarm, which has two USB and two plug outlets on top of the alarm. Then you have your own chair here in the bedroom. There's two balconies here for the suite, one for the bedroom and one for the sitting area. You can see out here right in front of us is Harrah's Casino, and then the Mississippi River over there to the western. So we could pick up the bus at Harrah's to take us to Mardi Gras World, where we could go for a tour. They have free buses. You just call after you get to Harrah's for the Mardi Gras World shuttle, and then they'll take you to the Mardi Gras, and you could see where they build the parade floats and things like that. So we'll be doing that later on. So back walking through the bedroom into the sitting area of the suite, you could see it's very spacious with a couch and two chairs. A dining area has a separate balcony. And then also it has a very, very cute old-fashioned desk with a TV built into it. Little cute drawers and things like that. And then going back to the door. So this is the King's Suite at Windsor Court, New Orleans, and hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching and have a great day.